Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online reviews with Yelp, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of online reviews is key in today's digital landscape. Yelp is one of the most influential platforms for customer feedback. The first step in protecting your reviews is to claim your business on Yelp. Visit the Yelp for Business website. Click on the Manage My Free Listing button. Enter your business name and address to find your listing. Once you locate your business, follow the prompts to create an account and claim it. After claiming your listing, familiarize yourself with Yelp's community guidelines. These guidelines highlight what constitutes acceptable reviews and behaviors. Make sure you are actively monitoring your reviews on a regular basis. Responding promptly to reviews, both positive and negative, fosters transparency. When responding to negative reviews, maintain professionalism and empathy. Address the customer's concerns directly and offer to resolve issues offline. Report any reviews that violate Yelp's guidelines. To report a review, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the review. Select the option to report the review. Provide a clear explanation of why the review violates the guidelines. Keep in mind that only appropriate reports will lead to removal. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. This can help balance any potential negative feedback. Never incentivize customers for reviews, as this violates Yelp's policies. Regularly update your business information on Yelp. Accurate details help prevent confusion and miscommunication with customers. Utilize Yelp's tools to engage with the community. Consider using Yelp ads to promote your positive feedback. Lastly, consistently deliver excellent service to minimize negative reviews. By maintaining high standards, you'll naturally attract more favorable ratings. In conclusion, protecting your online reviews on Yelp is a proactive process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.